Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to create that option strategy, which using 3-bar reversal. Just a second, please. Sorry. Let's discuss about 3-bar reversal. So where it is happened, the exact 3-bar reversal, where it is happened, that is the main key. Recently we seen about some 3 stocks where it is happening that 3-bar reversal at the lowest level. Now I'm going to discuss you the 3-bar reversal which is happening at highest level. So what was the valid point about the 3-bar reversal which is happening at highest level, whether the stock may continue the trend or may not. So that is what the main key where I am making this video. So someone was asking about the 3-bar reversal. 3-bar reversal is the candlesticks pattern. So when 3 candles which forms a pattern that is having a valid point, the stock can move either up or downside according to the pattern which is forms. The main condition where I am making this video is about a 3-bar reversal. When the 3-bar reversal which is happening, whether it is highest level of the day or lowest level of the day or highest level of the month or lowest level of the month. So all the 3 bars we are not going to focus it out, but the 3-bar reversal is the main concept that I am going to check it out. The 3-bar reversal is the main concept of reversal, the trend, reverse in the trend. So let's see, this is what another 3-bar reversal, 1, 2 and 3. The 3-bar reversal which is showing you bullishness. This is what a bullish 3-bar reversal on the stock of Siemens India Limited, which showing you 3-bar reversal today, and it is gains more than today almost 4% or 4.5% where it is happening today. But last 2 days it was a negative and today is positive. But why I am not taking this 3-bar reversal? Because it is an uptrend. The stock already in uptrend. Let us see uptrend. The stock already gone over some more percentage from almost 2,250. Now that stock is nearing to the 2,800, almost 650 points. It is already up. So here I find out a opportunity where the reversal for upside. Can I go for the trade? No. The answer is no, because it is a stock is in already highest level. Should I go for a breakout kind of trade? No, I'm not going to take any breakout kind of trade, because the previous trend of the stock is up and we are expecting another upside from that particular point. If I'm expecting the stock can go up from this point, it may be slow, or it may already it reaches its peak. Even it can go slow and it can reverse back. So using that 3-bar reversal, what we are planning is mainly the reversal trade. What is mean by the reversal trade? When the trend is down, I am expecting there is a bullish reversal. When the trend is up, I am expecting there is a bearish reversal. The main key where I am using this 3-bar reversal is for a bullish and bearish reversal at the bottom or at the topest level. So this is what the topest level. If it may be a bearish reversal, it would be a best trading opportunity, but it is what a bullish reversal. It may not have valid signal, or it is not a good to trade, because I am not going to buy at highest level. I am always planning to buy the stock at lowest level. That is what my main key concept. Can you find out there is a bullish reversal or 3-bar reversal which is happening at this point? This kind of trade which I am focusing, the previous trend of the stock is down and there is a 3-bar reversal, and now can you see that there is a biggest opportunity. The stock reversed somewhere from same kind of 2200 level. So this kind of opportunity which I am focusing for at lowest level. I'm not focusing to the stocks to buy at highest level. based on 3-bar reversal. That is what is a 3-bar reversal, which I find it out. Those who already used by 3-bar reversal, they know very well this is what a 3-bar reversal. From this is what a huge return. But I'm not talking about a day. This was already happened. But if you focus daily basis, we can get the opportunity if you are tracking the stock. So recently we got the stock. One is this one is NMDC. Still it is in positive from my buy entry. The second one is Wipro. Almost it is from 405 to 414. That was 10 points. And the last one is this one is a Lalpath Labs from our entry 2023. Still it is in positive. Maybe it is not because of intraday, it is a positional trade. Let I show you today's another stock which forms a Tata Communications. Tata Communications, such a kind of great 3-bar reversal which is happening at the highest level. When you find any trade opportunity at this bottom, should be the best for our trade. Let's see, this is the big result. How many of them who are finding out there is a candlesticks pattern at the bottom? There is a candlesticks pattern that is called a doji at the bottom. So the main trend is down, and after that there is a bottom in the trend, and there is what another candle which is called a hanging man at the lowest level. There would be a trend reversal. I think I'm updating my details. So that is a candlesticks pattern which is more important on my Telegram channel. Those who are not joined on my Telegram channel, the link for the Telegram channel which I provided on my description, you can join on the scan. But I told you, I'm going to share you, I'm going to tell you, these are the stock which forms a 3-bar pattern, but it is not good for our trade. I find out some stocks. One is Tata Communication, where we are seeing previously we seen Siemens, and go for a Indigo Interglobe Aviation. That is also by another 3-bar reversal pattern. Will it be a profitable 3-bar pattern? No, because the stock already moved a big move from the bottom. That is a 3-bar reversal pattern which is happening at the highest level of the month. So here this 3-bar is a bullish reversal, but the stock already moving towards the bullish. This may be a trend continuation, but it may not be used for a trend reversal. That is the main key concept where I'm going to talk about a 3-bar reversal. I hope you understand what I'm discussing here. And second one is McDowell. This is also forming 3-bar reversal, and this is also not happening at the lowest level. It is happening at highest level. And finally PVR, that is forms another trend reversal of 3-bar reversal. So hope you attend my 3-bar reversal candle, you understand what is the 3-bar reversal. That is also almost all 5 stocks. Let we find out today. I find out some stocks: Tata Communications and Siemens, Indigo, UBL, that is a McDowell, and PVR. All the 5 stocks which forms a 3-bar reversal. Forms a 3-bar reversal, but these are the things which is happening at highest level of the day. Highest, I'm not going interested to buy. When it is forms at the lowest, I'm going to buy. So that stock we find out recently. One is Lalpath Lab, that is what's performing well, and Wipro and National Aluminium. So each and everything are performed very good and well. So that is what my key concept where I'm using for my 3-bar reversal. So a lot of comments and questions about 3-bar reversal, but this is what main idea I'm using 3-bar reversal. When the bullish reversal which is happening at the day lowest level, I'm going to buy out. When the bearish reversal which is happening at highest level of the day, where I'm going to focus for a selling opportunity. That is what my main concept where I'm using 3-bar reversal. I hope I'm cleared your doubt on this video. You may be understanding what is the 3-bar reversal where I'm using to find out the trade opportunity, whether it may be highest level or lowest level of the day. But I'm going to find out whether that is the highest level of the day where the 3-bar reversal which is happening. I'm going to ignore the trade. When that is what's happening at the bullish reversal where it is happening at the lowest level of the day, I'm going to find out the opportunity. where we are finding out recently 3 trades that was working good. I hope I am answering your all questions about this video about 3 bar reversal. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you liked it, just like and share to your friends. If you have any question, just comment on the comment box below. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.